Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2019 Ford Edge SEL. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. We got rear park sensing in the back, dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails. We got some nice chrome accents with window deflectors, some nice looking rims, mud flaps on the rear and front, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors. We got a black hood deflector with a lovely remote start, perfect for the cold winter months, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a power liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button on the handle here, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You got hooks and doodads, lights, cargo cubby holes on either side. You can collapse your last row as well with a 12-volt. And you do get plenty of storage underneath with a spare tire. Gonna hold down these little tie downs as well. And to close your liftgate, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, with plenty of door space in the back. We do get rear vents, some storage, and 12-volt with cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat, some storage with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, and traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 79,175 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters. We got our toggle for our right-hand screen, toggle for our left-hand screen, cruise control, your media control, so your playback, play forward, phone, voice, mute, volume. On your left-hand screen, you got your display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, and other settings. And on your left hand, entertainment, navigation, and phone. To my right, gear select, parking brake, auto stop start with storage and cup holders. More storage underneath with some outlets, and it does close. Center console with lower with a 12-volt and upper storage. We got dual climate up front with heated front seats. We do get playback, play forward, tune, volume, hazards, storage below, and on top of your dash, you got a nice big infotainment system here with navigation, audio, and phone, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You got your climate controls up here as well, or down there, totally up to you. Phone controls, navigation, search, you can zoom in or out, all that jazz. And the app to me down will show up right in here with Sirius XM Travel Link, and your settings such as Bluetooth, navigation, display, forward pass, and shifting to reverse. We do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GC18761A, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.